Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start a continuous topic of the previous one, that is the classification of algae. Earlier we have discussed about the history and the general characteristics of algae. Today we are going to start the classification. So it all the whole series of classification started with the Carolus Linnaeus, that is in 1753 he coined the term algae and then placed it with Hepatiaceae in the Bryophyta, that is along with the lichens also. And then after that A.L.D. Jesue separated the algae from the Bryophyta and established it as an independent group. So, depending on the natural affinities, different scientists have proposed their classification based either on the type of the life cycle or on the basis of the pigments like the beta carotenoid, chlorophyll A, B, C, xanthophyll, etc., and the type of the flagella of the algae. So, what is a flagella? Flagella, they are extremely fine and the hyaline emergence of the cytoplasm, and they help in motility, or we can say locomotion, in the algae. So first classification, that is according to the Frisch. So Frisch in 1935 he classified the algae adopting the following morphological and physiological characteristics. So first the characteristic is the structure of the thallus, that is the algae. Then the nature of the food that is stored in the cell, that is a reserved food material. And then the characteristics of flagella, whether it is of equal size, unequal size, and etc. And structure and composition of the cell wall, that is what kind of material is composed of in the cell wall. And the type of the reproduction in the different classes, whether it is asexual mode, vegetative mode, etc. So he gave the following classes, that is first Chlorophyceae, then Xanthophyceae, then Chrysophyceae, Basilaриophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, Chloromondini, Euglenophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Mixophyceae, Nematophyceae. Nematophyceae is the fossil group of the algae. So these are the classes, or we can say the categories under which algae was classified by the Frisch. Then, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature has suggested some suffixes that should be used in the classification of algae. So, in case of division Phyta should be used, in case of subdivision Phytina, then in case of class Phyceae and subclass Phycidae, in case of order Ales and suborder Inales, in case of family, that is AC, and in case of subfamily Oidae, and genus should be in Greek name and species should be of the Latin name. Then the second classification was according to G.M. Smith. He generally again took considering of two characters. Generally first is the physiological characters of the vegetative cells and the morphology of the reproductive cells, that are motile cells. So what are the vegetative cells particularly? Vegetative cells are the any of the cells of a plant except the reproductive ones. Okay, so a cell that does not participate in the production of the gametes are known as the vegetative cells. General characteristics of the major divisions of algae, that is the divisions that is given by G.M. Smith and their general characteristics. So first of all we are going to see the table that is given by G.M. Smith and then discuss the characteristics. So he gave basically 7 division, and under them classes were divided, that is in case of Chlorophyta, Chlorophyceae and Charophyceae, then in case of Euglenophyta, Euglenophyceae, then in case of Pyrophyta, Desmophyceae and Dinophyceae, in case of Chrysophyta, Chrysophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Basilaриophyceae, in case of Phaeophyta, isogeneity, heterogeneity and cyclospory, and in case of Cyanophyta, Mixophyceae, and in Rhodophyta, Rhodophyceae. So basically Smith is of the opinion that he is of opinion that classes with the close affinity can be placed in one division, thereby he reduced the number of the divisions. So first, starting with the characteristic of the major divisions of algae. Chlorophyta. So here mostly freshwater forms and some are marine forms are also present. Chlorophyll A and B are present in chromatophores. So what are chromatophores? Chromatophores are generally the cells that are containing a pigment depending on the color. So then the food stored are in the form of starch, that is the reserve food material. Flagella of equal size and anteriorly present, that is if the number varies from 2 to 4. So anterior flagella is this, that is this is the anterior side and that is the posterior side. So here flagella, and they are also of equal size. Then cells with well-defined nucleus, that is they are eukaryotic in nature. Reproduction is done by vegetative, asexual and sexual means, also all the three one. Two classes were there, that is chlorophyceae, they are known as green algae, example is volvox, and charophyceae, that is they are known as stoneworts, example chara. Chara, same. Then euglenophyta, so freshwater or terrestrial forms, means here terrestrial forms are also there. Chlorophyll A, B and beta carotene present as a pigment. Food stored, that is the reserve food, is in the form of fat and the paramylon starch. Flagella present again on the anterior end and multiply by cell division, that is multiple fission should be there. Classes, that is single class was there, Euglenophyceae, they are known as euglenoids, example euglena. Then pyrophyta, so fresh and marine water forms are also there. Chlorophyll A, C and beta carotene and xanthophyll as a pigment present. Again reserve food material was oil or starch. Cell wall is made of cellulose as is common in algae. Then unequal flagella present on anterior end, that is flagella size are some we can say one is small and another one is large, as that case. And reproduction by means of multiplication, that is multiple fission. Sexual reproduction is rare here, that is rarely seen. And classes are Desmophyceae known as dinophysids, example dinophysids exuviella, and second class is Dinophyceae known as dinoflagelloids, example dinophysis. So Chrysophyta, so fresh and marine water forms here present also. Carotene and xanthophylls predominate in this group as a pigment. Stored food oil and leucocin. Two silicified halves compose the cell wall. So what is a silicified half? That is, we can say cells are contained within a unique silica cell wall known as frustule, that is made up of two walls called the thecae that overlap one another. So we can say generally their cells are made up of silica. Then sexual reproduction of anisogamous to oogamous type. Two classes were there, Chrysophyceae known as golden brown algae, example Chromulina, and Xanthophyceae known as yellow-green algae, example Botridium. And Bacillariophyceae, they are known as diatoms, example Pinularia. Then Phaeophyta, so this brown algae is present in the sea, basically in sea, not in fresh water or marine, we can say terrestrial life. Members are generally known as seaweeds. Pigments fucoxanthin and voeloxanthin are present. Stored food is laminarin, that is it is a polysaccharide, and mannitol, that is an alcohol. Cell wall is made of alginic and fucinic acids. Sexual reproduction by anisogamous to isogamous type, again as we have discussed earlier in the previous video what is anisogamous and isogamous type of reproduction. Then three classes were there, isogenrity, example Ectocarpus, heterogenrity, example Laminaria, cyclospory, example Fucus. Then Cyanophyta, so this blue-green algae, it is known as blue-green algae, is commonly found in fresh water. Members are prokaryotic, that is their nucleus is not well defined. C. phycocyanin blue and C. phycoerythrin red, these are the pigments are present here. Reserve food is cyanophycean starch. Motile forms are absent in this group. So what is motile form? Basically we can say motility is the capability of the cell to self exhibit the self generated, or we can say the purposeful movement, so which is absent here in this group. Asexual reproduction takes place by Hermogonia and Akinetys, which we are going to discuss later as we proceed in further topics. Then class Mixophyceae, or also known as Cyanophyceae, example nostoc and oscillatoria. Then last group is the Rhodophyta. So this red algae is marine in nature. Okay, it is also marine in nature. Dominant pigment is R-phycoerythrin, that is present in chromatophores. Stored food is the Floridian starch. Again, motile cells are absent. Thallus is complex, that is mono to polysiphonous, and sexual reproduction is of advanced oogamous type. There is a one single class, that is Rhodophyceae, example Polysiphonia. So here polysiphonous or monosiphonous thallus is. So siphonous algae is in which the thallus is not divided up by a septa, that is many nuclei are not compartmentalized into the cells. So this is thallus, this is, we can say, the siphonous thallus means. So yeah, this is all about the classification of algae. Hope you will like my video, and if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.